So, wouldn't it be good if you could add sound to your worksheet in Excel? Well, you can. With the Developer tab enabled, go to the Insert drop-down and select Button. Draw it on the worksheet. Give it a name. Select New. That opens the VBA editor. And in this incredibly simple macro, let's put beep. This is a command that will play the default Windows system beep, a sound you'll be very familiar with. Back in the Excel window, click the button as many times as you want, and it plays the beep after each click. Simple as that. But what happens if you're a bit bored of the beep? Well, you can use a custom sound, although it is a bit of extra work. You'll need to pull in the external PlaySound function from the Windows Multimedia library. Let's include this line of code for the public declaration. You can copy and paste it from the post. Likewise with the two public constants. The first is responsible for playing the sound asynchronously, which is necessary so you can interact with the worksheet while the code runs. And the second constant tells the PlaySound function that the string provided is the name of a sound file. Now, in the sub-procedure, call the PlaySound function that was just declared. In quotation marks, specify the file path to your WAV audio file, and yes, it does have to be a WAV extension. In the second argument, put 0 as we're loading from a file, not a specific module. And in the final one, call in the public constants that were declared at the start separated by the OR operator. In the main Excel window, click the button again, and the alarm plays. Finally, let's look at a real-world scenario where you might want to use sound. Here's a simple budget planner. Say we wanted to play the alarm when the total value in B8 reaches above a certain threshold. Back in the VBA window, go into the Sheet 1 object. Choose Worksheet from the left drop-down, and change from the right. Copy the code from the module and write an if statement. If B8 is greater than 2,500, then play the sound. Close the if statement, and in the Excel window, change one of the values to bring the total to above 2,500. So I'll allocate £500 to the entertainment category, confirm the value, and the alarm rings as the total is £50 above the threshold. If I change it back, the alarm does not ring, so it's working perfectly. Using the change event means it will only play immediately after you've edited a cell. Of course, you would typically use conditional formatting for this scenario, but why not have a bit of sound as well for those extra important values?